Okay, so really exciting day. We are going to Tennessee, so I figured that I would record this and kind of show it to you guys, you know, show you the, I guess in a way, the cabin where we're staying with, or we're staying in. Wow, the sun is in my face and all that stuff, but I'm taking my truck. You guys can see, I need some ice to put it here in my cooler, and it's gonna be about, I wanna say about 8 hours and 30 minutes from here to the cabin. Okay, I just finished putting gas. Obviously, gas is ridiculous expensive. I'm gonna park right here, probably use the bathroom, and wait for the family, kind of stretch my legs a little bit. So let me just park right here. The trip is going pretty well so far. We really haven't got any traffic or anything like that. It's being pretty simple. So I guess we keep going. One thing that I do want to mention is that I'm starting to get about 19.8 miles. Hopefully you see it right there. So again, obviously I'm in the highway, so highway speeds, you know, cruise control and things like that. It is just better for obviously your average on miles per gallon. Okay, obviously it's dark already. I don't even know where I am. I don't know if I'm in Tennessee. I don't know if I am in South Carolina. I really don't know. But we still got about 2.5 hours, something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and park right here. Try to get some subway right there. And hopefully, you see my car with all the stuff here. Maybe we could eat right here. And then obviously we can see the truck from back and the inside. All right, so let's go and check it out. This gas station is amazing. Hi, Manny. Papa got you a bunch of chips. That's ridiculous. Okay, just made it to the cabin. This thing is beautiful. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna give you a tour of the whole place because it's pretty late right now and the kids and everybody's setting up. So just stand by. You're gonna see it pretty soon. All right, morning time already. I'm gonna show you guys how gorgeous this place is. I'm telling you, wow. Just wow. The sun is kind of in my face, but let's find a different location to see this. Obviously, here's my truck. And the truck there just fantastic. Did it really good. The roads over here were pretty twisties and pretty weird. So if you're planning to drive up here in the dark at nighttime, I don't recommend it. It was pretty bad driving up here. The highways didn't really have any lighting or anything like that. And again, you know, it was really, really dark. But look at this. Bunch of cabins up there. Someone's making noises over there, probably doing some work. And let's do this right here. So you see all the cabins right here. And then there's more cabins back over there. This is the one that we're staying in, the retreat. I'm gonna give you a tour of the cabin in a minute, but I just wanted to show it to you guys. Probably looking from here. That's kind of like the view. This is like the side porch kind of deal. This is another bottom portion of the cabin. Right here you have the jacuzzi and another, I guess, porch up here. Mountains. Very, very nice. Let's go in and let's look at it. Really not crazy expensive, I gotta tell you. For the price that you pay for this, you can have a really relaxing time with the family. The only thing is that they charge you like cleaning fees and a couple other fees that sometimes is like, come on, man. But you know how it is. Look at that right there. Look at that mountain right here. Wow. So when you come in, you don't even need a key. All you do is that you put a code that they give you right here and you make entry. So really, I haven't seen anybody yet. All right, so here's the entryway, and I'm gonna tell you, obviously this is our second day, we already cooked breakfast, but we actually brought our own coffee machine and stuff. But, you know, they do have coffee machines, you see it right there. They have everything that you need to. Look, containers, I mean, plates, you name it, right? This thing is like ready, guys. All you have to do is bring some food. Actually, I thought we brought some of that food. Bring some food, and that's about it, right? A toaster, you have microwave, you have a fridge, obviously instructions of what to do. This table is huge. You can see the table. I brought my axe right here. The reason why is because obviously I want to build a fire. I need something to cut it with. So big table over here, a couple toys and stuff like that from Manny already. And as you can see, the big TV right there. They have 2 AC, so heater units. So you have one here, one up there, which is great. Got a bathroom right here, which I already used. And again, so this is kind of like the first level. This thing is really comfortable, really nice. A bunch of towels, a bunch of stuff. If you come down here, this is cool right here. You guys are gonna like this. This one, I think it sleeps like 12 people. So, I mean, it's insane the amount of people that this one sleeps. All right, we got it here. So we got another bathroom right here. So, bathroom with a toilet, obviously. You got a pool table right here. Just awesome. Really cool pool table. They have this little iPhone chargers or iCharger, iHome, whatever they are, all over the place, which is cool. You could charge your devices. Obviously, another TV right here. You got, I think this is golf. You could play golf right there. Really interesting. Another game right here. Right here you have a couch. And I think that becomes a bed and another bed up here. And obviously, if you come out here, I already showed you guys, this is the second porch. Let's go ahead and look at the mountains. Look at that. Man, what a view just to sit up here and just enjoy yourself. Look at that. So obviously, this right here, very, very cool. As you guys notice, I was standing up here. Well, you got a jacuzzi right here, which is just fantastic. Really, it does. I like how they build this wall right here because it does provide a little bit of privacy. You know, I still got a hole right there, so I'm assuming people can see you. But I mean, they will have to like force themselves to see you, right? Got some rules. Got a bunch of this everywhere, kind of giving you the rules and things like that, which is expected. Fabian is here doing his thing. Fabian, close this door for me, please, sir.
Sure.
If you come up here, check this out. This is a theater. The kids are having a blast here. Look at this. This is just way too cool. Just a theater right here. Really cool. I think they do have some movies. As you can see, they have a couple movies right here, but obviously bring your own movies. And this couch actually becomes a bed as well. So very, very cool. So you do have this, you know, I guess playroom area that comes down here, and you could just enjoy yourself. You know, you could sit up here on the couch and your children could be playing or whatever, you know. So again, you could sleep a lot of people. We're gonna go to upstairs right now so you guys could see the rooms. The rooms are fantastic, but again, you know, you could sleep people here in this couch. You can sleep people in this couch up here. You can sleep people on the couches above. I think the cabin said it's about 12 people. And I could definitely see that because there's a lot of space. All right, let's go up here. Very, very cool. By the way, this place was really clean. Really, everything was like, you know, top notch. Other than now, I have my shirts up here. Stuff like that. So again, a view from here. Okay, so this actually a few days later. And we're gonna take a look in the top. We are actually going home right now. So there is a couple things that they tell you to do. They tell you to have the beds on May. They tell you to put the towels and the floor and things like that. So it's a little bit of a mess, but it's how they want you to leave it, right? Okay, so coming up here, every room has a bathroom. Every room has a full-size bed or a king-size bed. Every room has a TV, so it's really cool. I'm just gonna give you a quick look real quick. Nice bed. The mattress is kind of like, you know, love it or hate it. It was okay, I guess. It's kind of hard, so again, TV. Here's a bathroom right here. And obviously you have this room here. This door right here is locked. Maybe the water heater. I think that maybe they have something secret there. Who knows? So that's room number one. We're going to go into another room right here, which is going to be where Lorenzo was staying. Again, they want us to have the beds on May and all the towels in the bathroom right here. You see the sign right there. So, okay, so that's about it. Room, bathroom right here. You have a nice room. Like I said, this one has a smaller TV, but either way, it does work. It does what it's supposed to do. Another charging right here station, which is very, very nice. Come out of this room. Oh, actually, you have a closet here. You have everything for the bed. You have extra blankets. You have all that stuff in there. Coming into the room where I was staying, obviously, you have a closet. You can come in, you got your bed, and nice TV. This one has a bigger TV. And again, all those little things to put your luggage and stuff, right? So again, a bunch of towels, because we use more towels. Bathroom right here with a sink and all that. So everything was very, very good. We enjoyed it. And sad to say, but it's time to go home. Actually, not sad. I'm a homebody, so I'm ready to go home. Here's my son, Lorenzo. Say hi, Lolo.
Hi.
You having fun?
Yes, I am.
I know you are. So, anyways, that's pretty much it for the cabin. I'll put the information down below if you guys want to check it out. I mean, really nice place. I appreciate you guys watching, and as always, God is in control. Wow. I had to stop just to look at this. Look at that.